We're gonna chase some birds. Just run.
Ready?
Yeah.
Try and get a bird to hug me.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So now it is Izzy's turn.
Fuck. Crazy, crazy to receive the sun. I know Cookie Monster isn't real, but I love him cause he likes to eat lots of cookies, and he is really good at the cookie challenge. Ah!
Come back.
Ready? We'll do like a personal view. This is what it's going to be like if you were chasing a bunch of birds. It's going to be pretty fun. A pile of manure. Look at the birdies over there. No, them ones over there. I'm going to go to them birdies. Like a pile of manure. Because there's a pile of manure. Let's go sit in the pile of manure. Over there. We're going to sit in the pile of manure. We just need some bras. I don't even think this is a pile of manure. I think it's just a pile of dirt. I think it's dirtying my shoes. I can. Can I throw a piece of this at you?
No. Don't.
It stinks like shit.
It's probably manure.
Like a pile of manure. Okay, I think that's like enough of.
Should I jump in it?
No. Okay.
Ew.
It's your shoes getting dirty, so. Okay, I think. Oh, fuck, how do you turn this around? I think that's all for today. We might do a cookie challenge. That'll be cool. Next time we're going to do a cookie challenge. So just like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Press send. It's still going. Oh, sorry.